Okay, let's go over homework 2.8, number 10. Alright, so the annual cost in millions of dollars for government agency to seize P% of an illegal drug is given here. Alright, so we're trying to find the rate of change of C, the cost, so with respect to T. So let's do that. So we take the derivative. So take the derivative of C with respect to time t. Right? Right. So we take the derivative of that too. So we take the derivative of d over dt of this quantity, 528p divided by 100 minus p. All right. So when you take the derivative, we're going to have to use the chain rule, but go ahead and take the derivative. So in this case, I'm going to use the quotient rule. So you're going to have on the bottom quantity 100 minus p squared. Right? Then take the derivative of the top. You have 528 times the bottom guys. So quantity 100 minus p. Right, then minus, all right, so you have 528p, so 528p, then multiply by derivative of the bottom, so derivative of that would be minus 1, so negative 1, all right, but then you have to multiply by dp over dt. All right, so maybe we should clean up a bit. So you can see that here. All right, so you're going to have, let's see, multiply out. So 528 times 100, so 2 zeros. Right, then you have a negative 528p. Right, so distribute 528 to 100 and negative t, we get that. And a negative negative, so it's going to be a positive 528p. And all over 100 minus p to the second power. Then you have a dp over dt. All right. Then you can see that you can cancel 528p here, 528p there with different signs. All right, then we can find the value. So p in here, p is given to be 20 right here. All right, so we can plug that in. And also, agency's goal is to increase p by 5% per year. So we're looking at the dp over dt is actually 5. All right, so let's plug it in. So you see that it's 52,800 divided by, all right, 100 minus p. P is 20, so that's going to be 80. So maybe let's just say 100 minus 20 is 80, so it's 80 squared. Right? Then multiply by dp over dt is 5. So we have 5. Right? So let's compute that, and I'm going to cheat a bit. So bring out the calculator. All right, so you have 52,800, and you're going to multiply it by 5, then divide it by, so 80 squared would be 8 times 8 is 64, so 6,400. All right, so this came out to be 41.25. All right, 41.25. Right, So answer is 41.25 million per year, $1 million per year. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.